guys. Today we want to talk about how to answer IELTS speaking questions. So first, before you answer anything, the first thing that you need to know is to understand the question. For example, look at this question. How popular is watching TV in your country? So that's the question being asked. So when you are asked a question, don't rush into answering it right away. All right. So think about the question first and digest what this question is about. Make sure you understand the question. How popular is watching TV in your country? Then you have two choices to answer this question, right? Is watching TV popular in your country? And you have to say how popular. Is it very popular? Right? And you can explain why it is popular. And if it is not very popular, then you have to start thinking about why it is not popular. And then you have to give reasons about watching TV not being popular in your country. So these are the things that you first need to think about. Okay. So let's say how popular is watching TV in your country. First, you have to study the question. How popular? Popular is an adjective here. So what are we focusing on here? Watching TV, right? Watching TV. And where you have to use your country as an example to answer this question, right? So let's dive into the question, okay? So let's see. How popular is watching TV in your country? I want to answer it like watching TV is very popular in my country. So I'm going to answer it from that point of view. Okay, so let's hear it out. Watching TV is very popular in my country because of the availability of technology nowadays, right? If you have, it's not like you are going to watch TV at home because you can watch TV by using different devices nowadays. For example, you can use your phone, right? You can use your computers, you can use laptop. So if you have access to the internet, you can watch TV anywhere, right? It doesn't matter about the TV programs that you are watching. If you have the device, electronic device, then you can watch TV. So not only children, but also adults and old people, they are addicted to watching TV. It's because of the advanced technology, and also almost everyone nowadays, right, has a phone. So which allows them to watch any TV programs that they want to watch. So that's is going to be my answer. All right. So let's say you are from a country where watching TV is not popular. Then you can say watching TV is not very popular in my country because we don't have access to the internet, and a lot of people are poor and they don't even own a TV, right? So watching TV is not popular because if you own a TV, it is like you have a luxury item, right? So watching TV is not popular. So depending on how you approach the question, you can build your answer around it. Okay. So you can also say, watching TV is very popular, and nearly every household in my country nowadays has a TV, right? So of course it's popular, and also there are a lot of streaming services where we can choose whatever program that we want to watch, right? So my point is, when you answer something, don't try to answer it like you have memorized something by heart. Some people do that in speaking, right? So it's a terrible mistake to memorize something and answer it, right? Instead of memorizing, you need to know how to answer the question, right? If you are going to answer the question, first, you need to understand the question. That's very important. You need to understand the question. If you understand the question, then you can choose. Are you going to talk about TV very popular, or are you going to talk about watching TV not very popular? So depending on your choice, you approach the question and you give reasons to support your answer. Okay, so I want you guys to remember what I'm telling you now. Never memorize an answer. Okay, be natural because it's testing your ability to communicate with other people in English. Okay, so I'll stop it here today and I will come back with more questions and I will show you how I answer each question. All right, thank you guys. Have a nice day.